Hi guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to create 5 different cute clay designs, all starting with a really simple triangular shape. The first one is a rice ball, so let's get started. After baking it, you can begin by dipping a needle into craft paint to make the black part for the bottom. Next you can use a dotting tool and a needle to paint on the face. And all that's left to do now is to glaze it to give it a nice shine. And you are done. A very easy way to create a very cute rice ball. And now let's turn this yellow triangle into a small pizza. We are going to start off with a crust. To do this, you simply roll out some light brown clay and then you can put it on the triangle. You can then bake the clay, and just like last time, I'm using a dotting tool and a needle to paint all the details. The final touch is a coat of glaze, and then it's done. Now it's time for something sweet. Make an orange clay triangle and bake it. And now we are going to use paint to turn it into a candy corn. Start off by coloring the top and the bottom using liquid craft paint. And then just create the face using the same technique as last time. And after a coat of shiny glaze, you have now created a super cute candy corn. This next design is so easy. We are going to create a heart. So before baking, you can cut out a small triangle on the top, then smooth out the edges and bake the clay. Once it's been baked, you can paint on the face details. Add some glaze, and it's done. And now it's time for the last design of this video. It's going to be a cheese, so grab your dotting tools and make a bunch of indents in the clay. And for an even better look, try using different sizes of dotting tools to make the holes vary a bit. Then bake it, and just like the other triangle DIYs in this video, you can use paint to create the face. The final step is then glazing. And just like that, you now have created your cute little cheese in clay. So are you guys ready for the final reveal? Here is just a bunch of clay triangles and boom, we have a bunch of really cute clay characters. And best of all, now you know how to create them on your own. I really hope that you guys liked this video, and let me know in the comments what you thought of this video and if you'd like me to make more videos like this in the future. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!